A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Listen to what God tell you to do. And do the work when give for do. And nobody afraid. Because him there with you and him go sort out things for you. Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 18, from verse 1 to verse 17. After that, Paul left Athens and go to Corinth. In a Corinth, Paul meet with one Jew named Aquila with the born in a Pontus. Him and his wife Priscilla did not too long move from Italy, cause Claudius did give order, say all of the Jew them fi left Rome. Paul join up with them, and cause him and them do the same kind of work, him tande with them and work with them. For them work, I did fi make tent. Every Sabbath, Paul go to the Jew them church and go argue with the Jew them and with the Greek people them for try win them over. Now, when Silas and Timothy come from Macedonia, Paul tap make tent and use all him time for preach the message and tell the Jew them, say Jesus are the one where God sent for save people. When they go against him and cuss him out, him turn up to them, shake off the dust off and clothes to make them know, say God not happy with them, and him a go judge them. Then him tell them, say, from now on, if God judge and punish you, a fool no fault. Me no response. From now on, me a go to the people we are not Jew. Then Paul left the Jew them church and got Titus Justus' house. Justus I did one man we are not Jew, but him worship God, and him house did the right side of the Jew them church. Crispus was the leader for the Jew them church, and everybody in his house believe in the Lord. And enough of the Corinthian people them were here, believe too, and get baptized. And in the night, the Lord said to Paul in a one vision, no afraid, talk up and no keep quiet, cause me there with you, and nobody can do nothing for hurt you, cause me have no people in that city. So I'm stand there for 1 year and 6 months and teach them about God message. Now, after Gallio, the town governor for Achaia, the Jew them gear up and grab Paul and drag him in front of the judge. Them say, that man you try to get people for worship God in a one way we go against the law. But just as Paul did bout for say something, Gallio said to the Jew them, say, if I did something bad or something wicked, him did do, it would have right for me listen to no. But since you not argue about word and name and funo law, you no deal with that on yourself. Me not go judge them sitting there. Say, order some soldier for run them out of the courthouse. So then grab Sosthenes, the ruler for the Jew them church, and start beat him in front of the courthouse. But Gallio never paid them no mind. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.